guys, I had some network issues, so I have to go and join in again. Hi to everyone. If you are new here, I would like to introduce myself. That's me, the founder, and we do frequent live session to show you our pieces. Hi Astha, hi to everyone. Hi Sunita. I hope you guys are doing well. Wishing you all a very happy Navratri. How many of you are actually styling our outfits this Navratri? हाय सुनीता, हाय बिनी कौर. अगर आप लोग यहाँ पे न्यू हैं, I would like to introduce myself and let you know. Hi from Sweden. Hi Neha Gupta. How are you? You're looking very sweet. Thank you so much. So guys, you guys already know that we do frequent live session जहाँ पे हम अपने articles दिखाते हैं. You can also see our articles on YouTube, on our YouTube channel. The link is in bio. So for today we have some amazing articles, not much. You guys know we are continuously doing live sessions since 3 days and सब कुछ बहुत जल्दी sold out हो रहा है. We are really so thankful to each one of you that you guys are sharing so much love. Hi from US. Hi Pujita. Hi guys, how are you all? So let's start the live session. And yes guys, you can get a free gift above 6,000 billing. It's valid even today. It's valid, I think we are going to keep it for 4 to 5 days. But the billing should be on the same day. It's not like you're going to keep on adding orders. एक साथ आपको order place करना है from the same live. So if you guys are new here, I would like to tell you कि आप लोगों को order कैसे place करना है. आपको लेना है screenshot of the article that you like and you have to actually WhatsApp us. The number is on the screen. You can see sizes मैं आपको बताऊंगी and accordingly you have to take the screenshot and send us on WhatsApp. Hi Deepika, hi. Okay, so let's start with the first piece that I am wearing. We have very limited stock. Yesterday I've shown this piece and today, I mean even yesterday I got a lot of queries to style it and to show you guys that how it's going to look when we actually style it. So a very premium short anarkali pattern. This is the short Pakistani suit. You can see I am already wearing this piece. It's very stunning, teamed up with tulip pants and बहुत ही सुंदर दुपट्टा है इसके साथ. You can have a look. Let me show you the detailing. It's in premium tissue with jacquard detailing. You can see ombre effect है इसमें. बहुत ही सुंदर ombre effect है. 3 different colors. We have it in yellow, kind of dark yellow जैसा, and then orange. 3 different colors है. Sizes अभी सारे हैं small to XXL. I'll show you the dupatta. The dupatta is really very pretty, perfect for the festive season with detailed handwork here. If you see, it has got this pretty handwork. Sizes सारे हैं. You can see how it's going to look when you actually style it. Very stunning and very different pattern as well. Hi guys, if you have any of your queries, please drop in and आप हमारे previous live session के video YouTube पे देख सकते हो. I hope you have seen this with a very pretty, I mean sleeves as well, teamed up with tulip pants. Love the dupatta, jacquard detailing के साथ ही ये दुपट्टा if you see, and the price is just 2499 only. Just for 2499. Premium tissue में है. Your earrings are good. Thank you Deepika. Thank you very much. This is how it's going to look. You can see the ombre effect. बहुत सुंदर floral, I mean not floral, ombre effect में है. I'll show you some more pieces. Yes guys, even we got so many requests for this piece. We have last few pieces left for this. Sizes left are, I guess we have large XL, XXL, 3 or 4 pieces only. Finally आपने ये वेयर किया. Yes आकांक्षा, मुझे वेयर करना पड़ा because कल बहुत लोगों की रिक्वेस्ट आ रही थी to wear this gorgeous piece and बहुत लोगों ने bookings place कर दिया, but उनको ये नहीं पता था कि ये piece कैसा लगने वाला है because it's a very different piece and I love styling short kurta. Since I am lean, मैं थोड़ी सी पतली हूँ तो मेरे ऊपर short kurta style पाकिस्तानी fits बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. You can see how it looks very stunning एंड गाइज हमारे पास सिर्फ और सिर्फ 9 पीसेस बचे हैं. कल हमारे पास इसमें 36 पीसेस थे, बट स्टिल आई थॉट ऑफ वेयरिंग इट सो दैट जिन लोगों ने लिया है दे कैन गेट अ आइडिया ऑफ हाउ इट लुक्स. एंड अगर आपने अभी तक बुकिंग अपनी नहीं करवाई है, आप व्हाट्सएप पे करवा दीजिए, बिकॉज यू आर गोइंग टू मिस आउट ऑन अ वेरी अमेजिंग पीस. Okay, so look at this one, last few pieces, size large, XL and double XL, premium ivory mein you can see with jacquard detailing, with detailed handwork. This is, I already got 5 suits now going to, or that's great Akanksha, it's the festive time. अब नहीं लोगे तो कब लोगे? पूरा साल लोग नहीं लेते. They wait, many people wait for the festive time because they don't wear regularly suits. With this gorgeous dupatta guys, very stunning dupatta. Price 2400 only. Last few pieces are left. You can place your bookings on our WhatsApp number. Very stunning it is. Bottom is ka plain hai. I'll show you the detailing as well. Look at this detailing. Hi guys, if you're new here, please drop in a hi and introduce yourself. Please introduce yourself. Also, some pieces from the last live session are there. I'll show you. कुछ pieces बचे हैं. I'll tell you the sizes as well. आप अभी booking करवा सकते हो on WhatsApp. Just like this premium tissue suit. सिर्फ last pieces बचे हैं. Size medium to double XL. No dear, 12K पे 2 suits नहीं मिलेंगे. Per order you're going to get 1 suit only. सिर्फ लास्ट फ्यू पीसेस, साइज लार्ज, एक्सेल, डबल एक्सेल, मीडियम ऑल्सो इज देयर. यस गाइज, मीडियम भी है. दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी रीस्टॉक्ड. इफ यू वांटेड यू हैव टू गेट इट नाउ, एल्स यू गोइंग टू मिस आउट ऑन दिस. वी गॉट ऑलमोस्ट सोल्ड आउट ऑन द फर्स्ट डे. कल की लाइव में मैंने ये नहीं दिखाया था बिकॉज ऑर्डर्स आप लोगों के पैक नहीं हुए थे जिन्होंने बुकिंग की थी. सो आई वॉज नॉट श्योर इफ यू आर लेफ्ट आउट विथ सम पीसेस, बट टुडे आई फाउंड आउट दैट येस वी हैव 7 to 8 pieces left. Sizes that we have is no small, no. Sizes medium to double XL है. medium वाला small को easily आ जाएगा. गोटा का detailing है with a very pretty दुपट्टा and it's actually in tissue silk. अंदर cotton की lining लगी है. So do not worry, all of them have cotton lining inside. You can have a look. Very stunning दुपट्टा. Price इसका 2300 है. It's still the same at the launch price. अभी भी लॉन्च प्राइस में है गाइज. एनी 3XL आर्टिकल? यस भक्ति, वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ 3XL आर्टिकल. आई विल शो इट टू यू. यू कैन सी द दुपट्टा. आई लव द डिटेलिंग ऑन द दुपट्टा. वेरी डिफरेंट एंड अ वेरी यूनिक पीस. नॉट दिस. ऑल्सो दिस पीस, ये आपको पता है इट्स एट अ सेल प्राइस. 2499 का था, 1999 में. It's in Vichitra silk with detail embroidery and a very pretty dupatta guys. We're getting a lot of requests from our international client to get something festive. So guys, just at the price of 1999, even the bottom, you can see it's in silk and the lining here with a pretty dupatta. I'll show you some new articles now. No, if you see backside में ये green and this ये वाले. And today we had some new articles भी. यहाँ नहीं, यहाँ पे ही आई गेस. ऑल्सो अ वेरी अफोर्डेबल आर्टिकल फॉर यू ऑल. साइजेस large to 3XL. You can see, you will be stunned to know the price. The price is so affordable. Roman silk में है with detail work. White is at a sale price of 1999. palak सेल में है. पहले वो 2499 का था. We had last pieces and something for the festive season, so it's just for one. पीछे जो ऑरेंज दुपट्टा डेफिनेटली मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी, बट फर्स्ट लेट मी शो यू सम ऑफ द न्यू अराइवल्स. प्रीमियम दुपट्टा है रोमन सिल्क में. यू कैन सी पूरे कुर्ते पे एम्ब्रॉयडरी है. वेरी डिफरेंट कलर. साइजेस लार्ज टू 3XL है. वेरी लिमिटेड एडिशन एंड गाइज द प्राइस इज जस्ट 1999. इसमें एक और कलर भी है. येस, वी डू शिप वर्ल्ड वाइड. So we definitely do to USA, except for Pakistan we do everywhere. This is the second color. This is the second color guys. Please show white which you are talking. Just now I joined. Okay, I'll just show it to you again. Second color, very amazing price, just for 1999 with detail embroidery. Size large to 3XL. You can see we have two different colors. It's very pretty, very affordable. The yellow one that I'm wearing is for 2499, and I think we are about to be sold for this as well, because you guys share so much love on the piece that I wear. This is the white one that I was talking about. You can see detail embroidery hai, and even on the whole kurta there's embroidery. Any pastel colors, a lot of pastel colors. You can see the collection. We are all set for the festive season. The green one was better. Okay, green one was better. Yeah, I'll show. Here you can see it's there. यहाँ पे नीचे नीचे. Also guys, we were getting a lot of queries for this color in kaftan. We found two different pieces guys, दो different sizes में. Yes, definitely you will get it before 20th. In fact, our delivery time is of 3 to 7 days only. You will get it. We just have size medium and large. दो ही color है. If you want to see me wear this kaftan, please look at our previous reel. वहाँ पे आपको दिखेगा बहुत high demand में था. रीस्टॉक नहीं होगा, बट हमें हमारे वेयर हाउस में दो पीस मिले, साइज स्मॉल मीडियम लार्ज. प्राइस इज सेम 2599. इट्स एक्चुअली वेरी प्रिटी, वेरी डिफरेंट. ट्यूलिप पैंट से नीचे चिनॉन फैब्रिक में यू कैन सी द गोटा एंड ओरिजिनल मिरर. दिस इज ऑल ओरिजिनल मिरर. इफ यू सी, वेरी स्टनिंग. इट्स अ 2-piece सेट. इफ यू सी एट द बॉटम, यहाँ पे भी वर्क है. 599 ओनली, जस्ट फॉर 2599. दो या तीन ही पीस थे, स्मॉल मीडियम लार्ज. ऑल्सो वेरी अफोर्डेबल पीस, चंदेरी में. प्राइस 1999. साइज स्मॉल टू XXL. ये इसका नेकलाइन है. वी हैव अ वेरी न्यू एंड अमेजिंग कलर. यू कैन सी जिकार्ड डिटेलिंग है फॉर ऑल द पेस्टल लवर्स गाइज. यू गेटिंग इट एट द प्राइस ऑफ जस्ट 1999 विथ कॉटन लाइनिंग. अ वेरी स्टनिंग दुपट्टा. दुपट्टा भी बहुत सुंदर है इसका, जिकार्ड डिटेलिंग के साथ. स्ट्रेट कट में है गाइज. दिस इज इन स्ट्रेट कट. दिस इज द सेकेंड वन दैट वॉज इन चंदेरी, बट दिस पर्टिकुलर पीस इज इन टिश्यू शिमर. आई होप यू गाइज आर एबल टू सी द गोल्डन शाइन. टिश्यू शिमर बहुत ज्यादा ट्रेंड में है. यू गाइज नो, बहुत ही ज्यादा डिमांड में है. यू कैन सी दिस इज ऑल ओरिजिनल हैंडवर्क यहाँ पे. एंड इफ यू सी, इसके फ्लावर्स पे भी ना बहुत सुंदर वर्क बना हुआ है. इट्स लाइक अ वेरी प्रिटी, बहुत ही डिफरेंट कलर है. कलर बहुत डिफरेंट है. एंड लुक एट द प्रिटी दुपट्टा. प्राइस भी इसका बहुत रीजनेबल है. आई टेल यू द प्राइस, बट फर्स्ट लेट मी शो यू द होल पीस. ये आप देखोगे नीचे हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडरी, आई मीन हैंड वर्क है इसमें, जरदोसी का. साइजेस वी हैव है स्मॉल टू XXL. ये इसकी स्लीव्स हैं. दिस इज द स्लीव्स, बनारसी जिकार्ड डिटेलिंग के साथ. वेरी डिफरेंट कलर. प्राइस गाइस जस्ट 2200 ओनली. जस्ट फॉर 2200 गेटिंग अ स्टनिंग पार्टी वेयर पीस विथ एन अमेजिंग दुपट्टा फ्लोरल में. एंड गाइज दिस पीस इज रीस्टॉक. जिनको हमने सोल्ड आउट बोल दिया था, यू कैन गेट इट नाउ. वी गॉट सच अमेजिंग रिस्पॉन्स. अब कुछ पीसेस ही बचे हैं जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द कलर. बहुत डिफरेंट, बहुत यूनिक कलर है इसमें. आई थिंक वी हैव 3XL. कैन यू प्लीज चेक? इसमें शायद है. वेरी प्रिटी. येस, इट्स एक्चुअली वेरी प्रिटी एंड वेरी अफोर्डेबल एज वेल. ऑल्सो जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द कलर, एवरी वन वॉन्टेड दिस कलर एंड वी कुडंट गिव इट, क्योंकि बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो गया था. 4 या 5 पीसेस आज हमें बहुत सारे ऐसे पीसेस हमारे वेयर हाउस में मिले जो कि हम लोग सोल्ड आउट बोल रहे थे क्लाइंट्स को. बट इट्स लाइक यू डोंट गेट टू नो हाउ मेनी पीसेज आर देयर, बिकॉज बहुत ज़्यादा स्टॉक हो गया था. सो गाइज दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. रशियन सिल्क में है, बहुत ही लाइट वेट. इफ यू सी द नेकलाइन, just because of the colors, so many of you were like, please, I want this piece. So guys, if you have not got this piece, get it now. Sizes small to XXL सारे हैं. Pure Russian silk में, if you see, it has the jacquard detailing as well. बहुत different color है, especially for the wedding season, festive में जिनको थोड़ा light pastel colors पसंद है, with hand work. प्राइस 2499 ही है, वेरी अफोर्डेबल. एंड गाइज इफ यू हैव नॉट वॉच्ड यस्टरडेज लाइव, अभी जाके देख लो. आई वोर दिस पीस यस्टरडे एंड इट्स ऑलमोस्ट सोल्ड आउट, ऑलमोस्ट सोल्ड आउट. आई गेस 4 या 5 पीसेज ही हैं इसमें. टिश्यू सिल्क में था विथ कॉटन लाइनिंग. sizes that we have is small to XXL. बट अब यू हैव टू एक्चुअली चेक द अवेलेबिलिटी दैट क्या साइज है क्या नहीं. दिस इज अ नेकलाइन. एंड अगर आपको फुल लुक देखना है कि कैसा दिख रहा है व्हेन यू एक्चुअली वेयर इट, देन प्लीज सी आवर यस्टरडेज लाइव सेशन विथ लुक एट द स्लीव्स. इसका स्लीव्स ना बहुत डिफरेंट था, वेरी यूनिक स्लीव्स. इट हैज गॉट अ वेरी यूनिक स्लीव्स with original mirror work and even the whole kurta has this original mirror work. ये ऐसे आपको नहीं समझ आएगा, so please watch our yesterday's live. इसी रेड में एम साइज गौरव राधिका, आपको प्लीज व्हाट्सएप करके चेक करना पड़ेगा. आई थिंक है अभी मीडियम है, आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट, बट होना चाहिए. आप एक बार टेक्स्ट कर दो. लुक एट द शाइन, आपको दिख रहा होगा गोल्डन शाइन. Price very reasonable, 2200 only, just for 2200 with a stunning dupatta guys. आप एक बार availability you can see these are all our orders जिनके एक एक पीस पेंडिंग हो गए ऑलमोस्ट. किसी ने 20 सूट्स ऑर्डर किए हैं कल के लाइव से. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑलवेज ट्रस्टिंग अस. Payment system from Canada is Remitly, Western Union. You can go for I think wire transfer. Lavender please. Okay, let me show you some other pieces from these. Yes, ये भी मैंने कल पहना था and it's almost sold out guys. Very different, very stunning color. अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं करवाया, on my recommendation go for this piece. You'll thank me later when you actually see it in real. बहुत ही सुंदर है, प्योर ऑर्गेन्जा में. You can see me wearing this on yesterday's live, else you can visit our YouTube channel. Go to our YouTube channel. Look at the pretty dupatta. Dupatta भी बहुत सुंदर है. And if you see the work on the dupatta, the one that I am wearing is for 2499. Sizes इसमें small to XXL है. Last few pieces are left. Price is 2400 only. It was just for 2400 guys. A very stunning piece in premium muslin. Yes, a new arrival it is. Many fresh arrivals we have. Sizes that we have is small to XXL. You can see the neckline, the color as well is very different. For pastel lovers who don't like wearing a lot of embroidery, you can see a very different color. Super duper soft. The fabric is super soft with cotton lining. It has this bottom. Love the tassel detailing on the dupatta. This is the sleeves. You can see this is the sleeves. Sizes सारे हैं small to XXL since it's a new launch. And the price is just 2200. Very affordable. You can see नीचे laces हैं. And if you see on the detailing, अगर आप detailing देखोगे on the kurta, it has this fine small detailing. Hey, how are you? Hi Diksha, I'm fine. How are you? Sizes, all the sizes are available. Price is 2200 only. In today's live, I was about to wear this piece because this is my personal favorite and especially the color. It's my weakness. It's also up on website. You can see on website. It's www.trendonthego.in. My favorite color. Look at the neckline. If you can see me wearing it on the website, you can place your orders on our website as well. Very stunning suit in premium organza. You can add it to your trousseau as well. This is the perfect detailing that it has got with the sleeves and the sub में lining है. You guys know that lining is there for all the premium range of suits, and I personally love the dupatta. The dupatta is so pretty. We have 2 different colors and it has been our best seller since day 1. So I have been recommending everyone. ये color बहुत different है. Very different color and it looks so pretty. The color looks so pretty. Actually I thought of wearing this today. Yellow is not opened, it's sold out yellow. And I thought of wearing this today, but I was literally confused because I got a lot of queries to wear this particular piece. जो मैंने पहना है उसकी बहुत सारी queries आ रही थी कि आप ये दिखाओ कैसा लगेगा when you actually style it. So this is the prettiest color I would say. ये भी बहुत सुंदर है, लाइट कलर में है, पेस्टल येलो कलर में है. नेक पे सबकी हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडरी है along with जरदोसी and detailing. You can see jacquard detailing hai. Love the work at the edge of the kurta. Yes, even this is up on website guys. It's a very stunning piece. दोनों website पे है. जो मैंने पहना है हाँ जी उसमें small size है. We have just 8 pieces left. I don't know how many are left for now. आप WhatsApp पे एक बार check कर सकते हो. This is how it looks. Very very stunning. Trust me. Close your eyes and go for this piece if you're looking for some pastel colors. किसी की भी आप हल्दी में पहनोगे ना, people are definitely going to have an eye on you कि इतना सुंदर piece and very affordable at the price of 2499. Both the colors are really pretty, but excited to receive. Yes, Namita, you have already ordered it. Yes, it's very pretty. Both the colors are very pretty, in fact. Also this one, you guys know it's a bestseller already. Very stunning A-line suit, bandage work mein. Please guys, do you ship my order? Can't wait to style them. Yes Deepika, I am not sure if it's shipped or not. We actually need time to ship your order because it's festive time and
yellow almost sold out.
Yellow is sold out. The one that I am wearing is almost sold out guys. We have 2 or 3 pieces only, so you have to check the sizes before you actually place the order. It's kind of a orange red color में है. बिल्कुल orange भी नहीं है, kind of a red. I want to get everything and I'm confused. I totally understand your point. Look at this premium A-line in pure crepe. Sizes, all the sizes are available. You guys know this work is very much in trend again. See the tassels and the work. It has full handwork and a very pretty dupatta. Pure crepe mein. Price iska 2999 hai. These are the pieces which looks very elegant. जब आप इसे style करोगे ना तभी you actually get to know the elegance of the piece. I'll show you these pieces again because these are not going to be restocked. ये restock अब नहीं होंगे. If you have not got it yet, get it now. You might miss on some very affordable budget friendly pieces. 2200. Very budget. Even I'm confused what to buy. And actually yes, I totally understand. This time the festive collection is really breathtaking and I have got a lot of compliments for it. Thank you guys. Thank you so very much that you guys are actually loving our collection so much. You guys know that even this one went out of sold the very same day. I got anyhow 2499. This one I got anyhow arranged 7 to 8 pieces for you all. Sizes you need to check on WhatsApp. Basically I guess all the sizes are available since 8 pieces are there. It's a gown with dupatta, floor length gown. It's a floor length gown, chinon gown. You can see the flare with full sleeves. This is the sleeves. Very stunning. I'll show you the dupatta. Dupatta iska plain hai, which you can actually carry on your neck. बहुत ही सुंदर पीस है, प्योर चिनॉन में. You can see, I mean, I love this piece. Price 2999 है and 2 different color है and both the colors are really hot selling guys. Price is just 2999. Sizes सारे हैं with handwork over the yoke, full sleeves, floor length with same color dupatta. This one has a pink color dupatta. Is there any other piece that you guys want me to style and come? Even these are moving out really fast. Our premium cord set, look at this with tulip pants. It has tulip pants, you can see in cotton fabric. Very soft. It's actually crepe, which is super duper soft. A very pretty cord set. with shifli cut work, perfect for the festive season. Fabric is muslin crepe, price 2200. अंदर मल कॉटन की लाइनिंग लगी हुई है guys. I'll show you some other pieces which are actually also this piece is now almost over. आपने जो पहना है प्लीज वो क्लोजर में दिखाया definitely. You can have a look at this. Very stunning, very affordable. The color is magenta. Price is 2200 with a scalloped edge dupatta. The best thing of this kurta set is this dupatta, this stunning dupatta. Price 2200 ही है. Sizes small to XXL है. Price 2200 ही है. सारे sizes available है. You are going to love the work on the dupatta. Very affordable Roman silk में. Can I please have purple one? Something in purple. Yes, I'll show you the purple one as well. Those purple one, I mean 2-3 options for purple you can show. This one in lilac, ये हमने कल लॉन्च किया था and this is almost over. Very stunning piece guys, बहुत different piece है. Pure आप देखोगे ना, this is in pure organza with lining. Hi Palak, please kindly WhatsApp us if you have not received your order. कुछ issue होगा तभी आपको नहीं मिला है. A very stunning piece. Last few pieces are left. Price is 2499. Look at the gorgeous dupatta. Complete handwork है. यहाँ पे आप देखोगे pattern भी बहुत different है. It's not like full work. For all those who like wearing the deliver, I received mine. Yes, I think there might be a issue. It's possible that डिले हुआ होगा, बट इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि आपको ऑर्डर नहीं मिलेगा. ज़रूर मिलेगा आपको आपका ऑर्डर. दिस इज द दुपट्टा. आई पर्सनली लव दिस पीस. प्राइस 2499. साइजेस सारे हैं गाइस. कभी कभी पैकेट में इशू आता है. पार्सल ज़रूर मिलेगा आपको. आप प्लीज़ टेक्स्ट कर दीजिए ऑन अ व्हाट्सएप नंबर. I'll ask the team to check immediately tomorrow जैसे ही ऑफिस ओपन होता है. I'll let you know about it. Purple one, yes. Also this piece ये हमने कल लॉन्च किया था. हमारे पास I guess 23 या 24 pieces थे and आज सिर्फ 3 और 4 pieces are left. पाकिस्तानी शॉर्ट कुर्ता स्टाइल. Looks very amazing. If you don't mind, could you please remove? It's actually the color. Just because of low lighting I have to use this, but you can just be sure this is the exact color. I'll show you close-up view. This is how it looks. This is the sleeves. बहुत सुंदर है. प्रीमियम टिश्यू में 2200. प्रीमियम टिश्यू में you can see the handwork. Please wear it also. I cannot wear it because इसमें ज़्यादा pieces बचे नहीं हैं. So if I wear it, I know you guys are going to make it sold out. I too have received in 2 days. They're very. Thank you, Dr. Neva. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you very much. I don't know. I'm not saying कि आपको मिल गया है, आप झूठ बोल रहे हो, but please आप text कर दे. I'll look into it. बहुत बार issues होते हैं. Thank you so much. You guys are sharing us with so much love. Very stunning. ये आप जब पहनोगे ना तो आपको पता चलेगा that how stunning this piece is. Very different short Pakistani look में है. So many of you already got it. Price 2499 है. Tissue में है. Party wear piece है. Pan of this dress definitely. It's a straight cut bottom with lace work. You can see. Very stunning. आप शॉर्ट बहुत कम पहनते हो, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. I wear all the patterns. इट्स जस्ट दैट कि शॉर्ट पैटर्न में हमारे कारीगर्स थोड़ा कम आउटफिट बनाते हैं बिकॉज उसमें मेहनत बहुत ज़्यादा लगती है उन्हें. आई शो यू द नेक्स्ट पीस. समवन वाज आस्किंग फॉर दिस पर्पल वन. इसके तो सारे कलर्स आप लोगों ने डे 1 में ही सोल्ड आउट कर दिए थे. अब कुछ ही पीसेस बचे. सो इफ नॉट गॉट योर हैंड्स ऑन दिस, गो फॉर दिस. आई कैन नॉट डिस्क्राइब हाउ सॉफ्ट द फैब्रिक इज. This actually you can feel it only in real. It's one of the softest crepe. आप देखोगे full handwork है over the neck with a pretty दुपट्टा. If you see here as well, यहाँ पे भी complete work है. Even over here on the right side, यहाँ पे भी बंदेज पे full handwork है. The one that I am wearing is for 2499. A very stunning piece. Price इसका 2400 है. This is in a purple shade. One of the most trending color of the season. Price is 2400. Fabric is pure crepe with a gorgeous dupatta. This is the bottom of the piece. Let me show you the sleeves. Sleeves भी इसकी बहुत सुंदर है with bandage detailing. 2499. Also there's one more piece. कौन सा था वो? 2300. Yeah, this one. Super duper hot seller, guys. Super duper hot seller. No worry, I don't know what happened. Who is this? I didn't block you guys. Let me see who is commenting. लाइलैक वाला फिर से दिखाओ प्लीज. ओके, अभी मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी, बट फर्स्ट लेट मी शो यू. प्लीज स्टॉप स्प्रेडिंग हेट इन द लाइव सेशन. इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट. Very stunning. You can get it on website on www.trendonthego.in. We had to restock 20 pieces today because last to last line में ये within a day sold out हो गया था. And I also launched it I also launched it on website because a lot of you were willing to pay via card. अगर आपको भी credit card, debit card से payment करनी है, you can just WhatsApp us. We'll let you know the way out for the same. A very stunning ivory short Pakistani set है with a gorgeous dupatta. Very stunning. यहाँ पे handwork. No, it's not our website, but you can actually WhatsApp us. We'll let you know that if you want to place your order via card. Yeah, even I don't know why these people spread so much negativity. If there is a delay in order, आप बात करके उसे sort करो. It's not that you come and tell here. आपको WhatsApp करना है. No dear, it's not on website. You have to actually WhatsApp us for placing. But if you want to pay via card, we can let you know how to do that. You can see the lace work. Website पे है ये dress. Price इसका 2499 है. Cash on delivery is not there, guys. It's all prepaid. 2499. Yes, someone was wanting to see this piece, the one that I am wearing. ये आप देख सकते हो. The one that I am wearing, very stunning. Last few pieces are left. Price इसका 2499 है. Gorgeous दुपट्टा है. You can style it for Navratri. This is how it looks. Very stunning. You can see the ombre effect. Same, I'm having white one. Okay. Yes, we are giving gifts on all orders above 6K, guys. You're getting a suit free, but you cannot select it. You don't put each article. No, we don't, because what happens is it gets sold out during the live session only, so we don't get time to put it on the website. So that is the reason when I actually, it takes time for me to shoot and then upload it on the website, but before I could do that, you guys make it sold out. Can you please show वहाँ से? Also, this piece, it was at a very economical price, as you already know. Anything in mauve pink, yes. Sizes small to XXL. This was in rust color, premium tissue silk में. Sizes small to XXL सारे थे. Price बहुत affordable था. Just for 2300 it was. You can see. Do you have something in bottle green? Yes, we do have. Sizes small to XXL with a very very pretty dupatta, guys. The dupatta is really stunning. It's in dark purple. There's a lot of pieces. Also, this was our hot seller just because of the color. A lot of you wanted like कि आपको कुछ मेहंदी के लिए चाहिए. So ये वाले पीस की तो कल बाहर आ गई थी. बहुत अमेजिंग रिस्पॉन्स था. आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ इट्स अवेलेबल और नॉट. आप एक बार साइजेस चेक करवा लेना व्हाट्सएप पे. यहाँ पे हैंडवर्क है, दिस इज ऑल हैंडवर्क. करवा चौथ स्पेशल बहुत सारे ऐसे पीसेस थे जो हमने दिखाए थे. एक रेड आर्टिकल है वेबसाइट पे, वो मैं आपको लाइव पे नहीं दिखा पा रही हूँ बिकॉज it's being made by the karigars. It's not ready. No, I don't even have a single piece with me as a sample. सब कुछ शिप हो गया बिकॉज एवरी वन वॉन्टेड इट फॉर करवा चौथ. सो अब वो मंडे को शिप होगा. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. प्योर क्रेप में है, साइज स्मॉल टू XXL है. एंड इफ यू सी इट हैज दिस डिटेल हैंडवर्क है यहाँ पे बंदेज के साथ. द फैब्रिक इज प्योर क्रेप विथ कॉटन लाइनिंग. Super duper soft, very very soft. If you see the sleeves पे भी बंदेज की detailing है. Price is 2400. Also yesterday I've shown you this. Even this has become a best seller just because people were like, it's so cheap. I mean at the price, I mean not cheap, बहुत सस्ता है. I mean to say that it's so reasonable, so affordable. Cheap is actually not the correct word. So this is how it looks. Premium muslin में था, you can see with detail embroidery and a very pretty dupatta. I'll show you the bottom. इसका bottom is really stunning. 2 different color में. इसका sleeves भी आप देखोगे ना बिल्कुल पाकिस्तानी fit में है with detail embroidery. Just because of the price. Yesterday we got so many orders because as per the price the quality is very amazing, very very amazing. This is the second color. ये इसका second color है. Price इसका 2100 ही है. Very pretty दुपट्टा as well. बहुत सुंदर दुपट्टा है guys. It's over I think. How many of you are actually getting the piece that I'm wearing? A very stunning article. Pakistani suit है Karachi in pure tissue with handwork. Even this was our best seller. आप देखोगे पूरे कुर्ते पे वर्क है. You can see it has this fine work all over the kurta. Sizes small to XXL है. Price 2499 है. We have 2 different colors. It's a very stunning piece. इसका 2 कलर है, लाइलैक एंड ये काइंड ऑफ हीना ग्रीन कलर है. साइजेस सारे हैं, दोनों कलर्स वेरी प्रिटी इफ इट एक्चुअली नीड्स द पर्पस ऑफ बाइंग. दिस इज द नेकलाइन गाइज, वेरी स्टनिंग. प्राइस 2499. प्रीमियम टिश्यू सिल्क में है. इट्स गोइंग टू लुक very very pretty. You can get these pieces style with your mom, with your sister. You can twin and style. They look very nice. Even this Kota Doria piece is now restocked guys. It's an indigo blue. This is the actual color. Sizes सारे restock हो गए. You can see me wearing it on our previous live session. Premium Kota Doria में sleeves बहुत सुंदर है. This is the neckline. Sizes सारे हैं. Price 1999 है. Also I'll show you the piece which we launched today and it's up on website. आप इसे डायरेक्टली वेबसाइट से ले सकते हो. वेरी स्टनिंग सूट बंदेज में ग्लास टिश्यू में. ये मैंने आज ही शूट करके वेबसाइट पे अपलोड करवाया है. साइजेस स्मॉल टू XXL सारे हैं. 2 डिफरेंट कलर है, दोनों बहुत प्रिटी है. एंड ये कलर तो इज वेरी वेरी प्रिटी विद द डिटेल एम्ब्रॉयडरी. एंड इफ यू सी द दुपट्टा, इट्स अ शाइनी टिश्यू का दुपट्टा with detail embroidery. We have 2 different colors. Bottom for the blue one, bottom is plain cotton. No, it's not plain actually. I'll show you the bottom, give me a moment. This is how it looks, very stunning. Price is same. Show me wo kaftans. I'll show you. Those V-neck ones are not here. Yeah. Even this red piece, it's almost sold out. Size left is large XL and XXL. Just 3 sizes left. Strappy sleeves hai, no sleeves inside because this is how it will actually look good when you wear it the same way it's made. No sleeves. Frock style बंदेज में है cotton muslin के साथ. Along with a very pretty sequence का दुपट्टा, perfect for करवा चौथ. It's literally one of our best seller. Orange में भी I guess large XL XXL आपको मिल जाएगा. This is a reddish maroon color. with a very pretty sharara. ये ऐसे with a very pretty sharara. This is how it looks, the full look. You can see very stunning. I'll just show it to you. This is the sharara of the piece. Very stunning. Sizes small to, not small, sorry, large to double XL. I guess medium also is available. Price 2400 है, and we got a lot of ऑरेंज में पीसेस आई गेस ख़त्म हो चुके हैं, बट फिर भी आप एक बार क्वेरी भेज सकते हो ऑन व्हाट्सएप नंबर. ऑल्सो वी लॉन्च्ड अ कफ्तान yesterday and उसकी बहुत अमेजिंग रिस्पॉन्स आई विल शो इट टू यू just because of the color, because everyone was requesting for dark purple color, because purple is one of the hottest trends of 2024. This was the kaftan that we launched yesterday. So stunning it is, very stunning. Detailed embroidery है both the ends में, edges of the kurte में, with a very pretty potli. You can see this is the potli that it comes along with. सारे sizes हैं, नीचे tulip pant है. Please show Kota Doria suit. I will just show it to you. A very stunning piece. Price. Place the one you wear. Yes, Surbi, it's very awesome. The one that I'm wearing, very different pattern. Price इसका है 2599 only, guys. Very stunning piece. सारे sizes available है. Kota Doria. Please show Kota Doria once again. I'll show you the Kota Doria one with this gorgeous Kota Doria dupatta. You can see. Actually ऐसे आपको नहीं पता लगेगा, but please look at the piece. I am wearing it on a feed. And आपको वहाँ पे even this piece is really very stunning, premium tissue में with original detailing of pearls, and this neckline premium tissue silk में है, छोटे छोटे pearl की detailing है with a very pretty दुपट्टा. दुपट्टा भी टिश्यू में है, फ्लोरल का. साइजेस स्मॉल टू 3XL है. yes, we do have 3XL as well for this. plain bottom है. you can place your orders for this. it's a top notch quality. size is still 3XL. also I'll show you two more in Dola silk, and then I'll see if I can show you something else. बहुत सुंदर पीस इन प्रीमियम डोला सिल्क with a very heavy दुपट्टा. the दुपट्टा is very heavy. जकार्ड डिटेलिंग के साथ बनारसी का दुपट्टा है. we have 3XL as well. इसमें 3XL भी है guys. full handwork के साथ है. 3XL is also there. 2 different colors. you can see 2 different color है इसमें. just have a look which is better. price 2499. size is still 3XL. this is the dupatta. I've just shown you. I'll just show it again. Kota Doria. it's actually, I'll just show you a folded piece. this one is an indigo blue. please take a screenshot. this is an indigo blue. also this piece we got such amazing response, and it's just at a price of 2200. premium chanderi mein hai, at a price of just 2200. look at this neckline. so stunning neckline. full handwork है. कराची डिजिटल प्रिंट में है. kind of वैसा ही है. and the lining है with bottoms and a very pretty dupatta. even this color is really very pretty, very stylish, and it's a pastel color. very stunning. price to, it's a wow piece. I have this. yes, Vrinda, it's literally very nice. this color actually is very nice. I'll also show you some pieces which were our hot seller and अब restock हो चुके हैं. just like this Karachi suit in peach color. this is in peach color. you can also find it on website. the sleeves, and this is the bottom. very stunning guys. peach color में पाकिस्तानी fit में है ये. and if you see यहाँ पे bottom में भी बहुत amazing work है. perfect piece with a stunning dupatta. I hope you're able to see the color. pastel peach hai. price is 1999 only. just for 1999. sizes sare hain. we can also arrange plus sizes for this one. very stunning it is. Price is also very reasonable, 1,999 only. What else do you need? Even this piece is now restocked in Russian silk, magenta color. Price 2200 with handwork over here. सारे sizes available है jacquard की detailing के साथ and a very pretty dupatta. Price just 2200 only, guys. Also, last 3 pieces are left. Size large, XL and double XL. Rest all the pieces. Placed order. Can someone? Yes, Poonam, please wait. I'll give you confirmation. I mean, the team will give you confirmation shortly. Guys, size that we have is large, XL, double XL. बाकी सब खत्म हो गए. वो भी 4 या 5 पीस होंगे, I guess. I'm not sure, but this is a padded anarkali, very stunning padded anarkali. Sleeves full आएंगे, pure chinon में है. ये इसका bottom है, bottom is plain. Looks very stunning. The color, इसका color ही इतना सुंदर है that this is the dupatta with sequence work. Very stunning piece, guys. Price इसका 2799 है. We just have 3 or 4 pieces left. Size large to double XL. Rest all the sizes are over. No, not this. Okay, let me show. I think इसमें pieces खत्म हो गए. This one was for 3499. Authentic Pakistani suit. We had 3 different prints. If you want to see the rest prints, you can check our YouTube channel. वहाँ पे आपको मिल जाएगा. Price 3499 है and इस color की तो बहुत amazing response आई just because of the pastel shade with this gorgeous sleeves and a very pretty, I mean, plazo. We have the second color. किसी की भी मेहंदी वगैरह में आपको स्टाइल करना हो. Price is same, 3499. Let me see if I have some other pieces यहाँ पे जो कल के लाइव में थे. Yes, these ones. Very very amazing response for these. Sizes small to double XL है. Premium crepe में था. कराची सूट, you guys know, बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंड में है. हैंडवर्क है, पूरे कुर्ते पे हैंडवर्क है. No, Roy Aparajita, it totally depends on which one you are getting. Pure crepe में both the colors got an amazing response. Price 2400 only, just for 2400. It's in premium crepe, guys. Also, just last few pieces for this one because it was really very affordable. वेबसाइट पे सारे पीसेस नहीं है, आप प्लीज व्हाट्सएप कर दीजिए. वी विल लेट यू नो. साइजेस मीडियम टू 3XL. यस, वी हैव 3XL एज वेल. प्राइस 2100 है विद अ परफेक्टली कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग बंधेज का दुपट्टा. And also this piece we have very last few pieces left. Vichitra silk में color combination you can see pink and burgundy. Size small to double XL सारे हैं. Price 2499 only with a very amazing work and a stunning dupatta. ये इसका sleeves आएगा. 3/4 is the sleeves. You can see the whole dupatta has embroidery. Very stunning color combination and the price is just 2499 only. Also, these padded ones, ये वाले prints specially moving out really fast at the price of just 2499. Earlier ये 3000 का था. You guys know now it's at a sale price of 2499. It's in pure chinon alakut style में है with side slits. And then I'll show you. A lot of request for orange suits. So कल हमने जब ये orange color launch किया था, we got very amazing response. Everyone was like, please get more orange. We are actually trying. ये orange color में है, premium pure tissue में है. You can see this is in premium pure tissue. This is the neckline. It's an orange color, very bright, very amazing. Price 2499 only, guys, just for 2499. Also ये piece दिखाने की इतनी ज़्यादा request आई थी. Thank God that I remember, वरना मैं वापस भूल जाती. This stunning piece मैंने 2-3 दिन पहले पहना था. Last few pieces are left. This is a Pakistani detail embroidery, fully embroidered suit है. आप YouTube पे full look देख सकते हो, where I actually did a live session wearing this piece. Price 2,999 only. Sizes small to XL, double XL is already sold out. This is how it looks. Pretty sleeves and fully embroidered है guys. Tissue shimmer में, it's actually chinon shimmer. Price इसका है 2,999 only. The one that I am wearing is for 2,499. Even these short prints got amazing response. बहुत amazing response था. Sizes small to double XL. Price बहुत affordable था, 2,200. प्योर चिनॉन में शॉर्ट फिट है. जिनको लॉन्ग कुर्ताज पहनना पसंद नहीं है, ये इसका ट्यूलिप पैंट है विद अ प्रिटी कोटा डोरिया दुपट्टा. No. I've shown you a lot of pieces along with new articles, guys. I'll show you this piece again. I think it's over, but still you can see it on our last live session. High-low में है with handwork. Size you need to check because it's almost over, guys. So size you have to check. I think I've shown you all the pieces that I have for today. And then, yeah, this one. This one also is very stunning. It's in polka dot Russian silk में है. Can't believe you're wearing. Yeah, actually I am. I don't wear big earrings, but today I thought of wearing something different. Price for this one is. The price for this one is 2,400. Russian silk में है, polka dot में. You can see नीचे यहाँ पे embroidery है. Chiffon का दुपट्टा है and it's very stunning. Price is 2,400. Okay guys, I'll try to upload the live session on our YouTube channel. You can check it out there and place your orders on our WhatsApp number. Thank you guys.